Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You want to start affiliate marketing with no followers and no website, guys. How is this even possible? Well, guys, a new program just came out called the 10x Income System, guys. Came out October 1st, and this system allows you to be able to get affiliate commissions, guys, uh, up to 297, guys. Every commission is 297. It's not up to 297. Every single commission in this program is 297. And you can pretty much use this program on autopilot. But how is this possible? Uh, it's a no complicated setup, no experience or tech skills needed, no win for results program, guys. How is this all possible? This sounds weird, sounds kind of fishy. I mean, like, of course you have to have followers, you have to have a website, guys. That's just what everyone else is saying. But guys, Tabby D has completely just changed the system, guys, with this program. Now, Tabby D um, has been known in the online industry, guys, for a few years now, about 5 years. She's actually a millionaire right now, guys. And she recently put out this program, so affiliate members like you, affiliate members like me, could actually get some easy commissions, guys. And keep in mind that she is also a Google traffic expert, guys. So when you get into her program, guys, you can leverage her traffic packages. Um, to go straight to your affiliate links, guys, so you can get some easy commissions. Now, this program, of course, has autopilot traffic through these traffic packages, lifelong traffic, meaning never worry about traffic and or sales ever again, guys, as long as you are using these traffic packages. 100% passive, no manual work involved. I mean, there's a little bit of setup, guys, but for the most part, there's not much work involved once you are using these packages. Stop failing and finally breakthrough, guys. If all that doesn't satisfy you guys, there's a 365-day money back guarantee, meaning for an entire year, for whatever reason, if you are not satisfied with this program and its services, you can get a refund. That's huge. Who else does that, guys? In the comments below, like right now, who else does that? Okay, because I have been in affiliate marketing for a little bit now, and I haven't seen any other programs with those types of benefits, guys. I have not, as of yet. Um, so, tax income program, it's not free. It was $9.97, guys, but it's just now $2.97, but only for a limited time, guys. All right. So I don't know when this is going to change. Tabby D hasn't announced when she's going to change it, so it could be pretty much any time. Now, if you want to learn about Tabby D a little bit more in her background, guys, I have other videos on that as well, or you can simply just Google her name and see her accomplishments, guys, and what she has been doing for people, not just in this group, guys, but before she even made this group, guys. She was helping tons of businesses scale to 6 and 7 figures, guys. She definitely has accomplished a lot in her few short years of digital marketing, guys. It's just amazing. So Tabby D, guys, look her up. 10x Income System. If you want to visit this page and actually read some articles on her below, guys, I will have a link in the description. That's going to be pretty much all for now. If you like this video and want to see more of this type of content, guys, also let me know in the comments, guys. If you want to see more of this, guys, just subscribe to the channel so I can send more videos, guys. All right, I'll be pretty much posting every single week, guys. All right, so I hope to stay in touch in the future, guys. I hope this was helpful. I appreciate all the support. That's going to be pretty much it for now. See y'all later.